Did you find it? Where's your tail? Pepper. Where's your tail? Where's your tail? Oh, hello. Where'd your tail go? Where'd your tail go? Where's your tail? Oh, you got it? Where's the tail? Oh. Where's that tail? Pepper. There it is. Get it, Pepper. Pepper. Get it. Get it. Pepper. Pepper. Let it go, Caitlin. Pepper. Oh. And meanwhile, back at the ranch, Kringle is in heaven. Hello, Kringle. Say hello, Caitlin. And Pepper's still going after her tail. Pepper, get it. Get it, Pepper.
She's waiting.
Get it, Pepper. Oh, she's so pretty. Such a good girl.
And then she's going to roll over.
Pepper.